Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to press in keyboard Windows plus P key together and it will be open up like this. You just need to select the PC screen only option, and after selecting that you can launch the Steam and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. In task manager you just need to search Steam. If Steam is running in the background, then just right click on it and select end task, and after that just to close tab here. Now go to search menu and type run, click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK to open up. Find the Steam folder, just right click on it and select delete it. And now you just need to close stuff here. Go to search menu and type run, click on open it. Check my video description for this run command used in my video, just to copy and paste it and click on OK. And now the Steam will restart. Now you just need to log into your Steam account and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Search Steam. If Steam is running in the background, just right click on it and select end task. After closing that, you just need to close stuff here. Now you just need to right click on the steam.exe file on the desktop and select properties. Select compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can launch the Steam and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.